Hello everyone, I am here with a new tutorial, and in this tutorial I will show you how to add an online image link in your HTML code using a mobile app that is called SoloLearn. So what is SoloLearn? SoloLearn is an app that is used for coding. Okay, to add an online image link in your HTML code, at first you have to go to a browser. So I am using Google Chrome. You can go to your any browser to search your online images that you want to add in your HTML code. This is the search bar of my Google Chrome. Then I am searching for a picture that I want to add. For example, I search for car pictures. Oh, already it is there, so I can click on go. So it is showing me the contents. Oh, here are some pictures of car that I am searching for. I click on one picture. That is your choice, what you want to choose actually. That's completely your wish. What I have to do now, so what people do actually, they do a mistake. The mistake is that they directly go to the search bar and they copy the link from here. You have to select the individual image link, not the entire search link. Okay, then I go back. So after this, you see the picture and hold the picture for a few seconds, tap on it, then you see a pop-up and here are some options, and one of them is open image in new tab. So you have to click on it. It's opening in a new tab. Here I can see is already opened in a new tab. Then I go to the link, I go to the tab, then here I can see the picture, and at the top position you see the link that I need actually. So I go to the search bar and here is an option to copy the link, the first one, images, and I copy the link from here. That is done from my Google part. Then I go to the app. What is the app? SoloLearn. Okay, here is my app. I'm just going to use the app. Then it is opened actually. So at first you see an interface. So this is an interface where I have to write my codes. You see the option code. So this is actually a page that I need, plus sign. You click on it. After clicking this, you see some options. Among them, I need web. So web is an interface that is for writing my codes, HTML, CSS and JavaScript. I click on it, and after clicking on it, then you see an interface, and here are some HTML tags. You can definitely understand, and that makes your life easy actually, because here are lots of tags already written. You don't need to rewrite them. We want to add an image. To add an image, why are you waiting? You write the image tag. After that, you need to add an attribute that is called source. SRC means source, equal sign, and give actually quotation mark, and inside this quotation you have to paste the link that you already copied from your Google Chrome or any other browser. Okay, I have to paste it. Yes, so now I just have to close the image tag. As I have started, I have to close it. To closing it, you know that how to close this. So this is code. Now I go to the output option, and after going to the output option, all can see this picture. And now this is actually a large one, so I want to make it small, right? So to make it small, you need some attributes that is called height and width. You already, I think, know this. So write height at first, give an equal sign and put quotation, and then you just set the height. That means I want to set the height 200 pixel, and after this I also want to set its width equal sign and then quotation, then I give it 300 pixel. Then I go to the output portion, and what I see here, definitely I should see small one. This is my picture. So after doing your code, you can actually save this. 3-dot option you can see at the upper position. You can click on save, and for saving you have to give a name. Just after this I have to save it, and you can see all of your saved contents. It's easy. Whenever you get back to the previous interface, you see is an option that is hot today. When you click on it, at the lowest position you see my code bits. You click on it and you can see your saved contents. This is my content. That's all.